In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google's new AI to generate any image that you would like. First thing you need to do is go to labs.google. This will be some experiments that Google is working on. Then we can scroll down until we see Google search. Click Get Started. Once you're here, we want to go to SGE, Generative AI in Search. Then we want to toggle this on. It's going to give you an agreement here. Click I agree. You can choose if you want email updates or not. Then I'm going to go to try an example. Once we're here, we can begin to give this thing some prompts. So I'm going to type draw astronaut riding horse and click enter. Then it's going to generate some AI images for us. This is still like testing or experimental or in beta. So some prompts that you give it won't work, but some it can start to generate and actually give you some unique images for, so that's really cool. So now I'm trying draw a cat with helmet. So it doesn't really know how to generate this, but it can like pull things and give you actual tutorial for how to do so, and even an example in a YouTube video. So it doesn't give the exact thing, but it does give you some prompts or some ways to get started to do the thing that you want to do. So very interesting experimental stuff from Google here. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.